here and he's just the other way.
The pads?
Well, I didn't order them.
I thought you said you did.
Well, I thought I did.
What's that? Well, that's what we've got to weld. A Hudson. A 1940s Hudson, I think. Because I've got a YouTube channel that I put stuff on.
So it's quite a big engine.
Side valve engine.
Yeah, they're all flat.
Terraplane.
I won't put the antifreeze in it because I don't know what antifreeze it has. I'll just put water in it. Does it matter what sort of antifreeze it has?
Yeah, I would imagine so. Any leaks yet?
Nothing's coming out yet.
You need some, mate. You might realise it's freezing in the winter. Empty it back out, really.
Yeah, but I don't know what to put in it. Bit the old blue or something, I suppose.
So you can get some pads for mine then, and then you can do mine, and I can pay you, and then we can go down there. Then we can get the MG sorted.
I'm waiting for the wheel nuts for the MG.
So, I mean, if you were really wealthy, you would take the body shower, put it on something quite modern underneath, that drove nicely.
Yeah, that's what my mate's done. He's got a 56 Chevy pickup on an Isuzu.
Cut that off. Clean that up. Weld a bit to it. There you go, cut that off and that fits in there nicely. Grind a little bit of clean on there to get decent earth. Now I can weld that on. Nice one. Right, we'll get that other bit shaped up then. Just got to weld that round tacked it on so it's all the right length and everything. There you go. There you go. Sorted. Nice one. Almost finished. There you go. Fortunately we noticed this just before we put it on. We were actually looking, there's a little hole up here, just there. But then we noticed this, so we've got to weld a patch on here. Right, there you go. Should be done in a minute. There you go, look.
Skid plate.
Yeah, skid mark. Nice one.
Nice skid plate.
Yeah. Good, isn't it?
With the equipment that we had, yeah.
Well, you can't complain, can you? I mean, it's pretty
Fucked.
well, it is, but I mean, as jobs go, it's not that bad, is it? Considering the thinness of the metal as well.
The thinnest of thin ice.
Now we find out if it worked. Sounds like a new one. Looks like a boat. You see if it works like a boat. No, it does sound, well, obviously sounds better. Yeah. Wait a minute, I'll move this stand. There you go, something a little bit different. Wasn't expecting to do that, but there you go. The old stuff's the best, isn't it? Right, see you again. Not this weekend, I've got something to do, but the weekend after I'll do another video, hopefully. Right, yeah, bye.